Hello friends, welcome to Wildlife TV. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about the species of birds. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in this world. Some birds and animals are amazing in forest life, but some are really interesting and amazing. Birds are found everywhere, from the frigid Antarctic to the hot desert. Birds eat many different types of food. Some birds eat meat, some birds eat seeds, fruits, and insects. Many species of birds are permanent residents, and some species of birds migrate seasonally. Some birds find food during the day and some in the night. Nature has not only given birds the power to fly but also to swim and walk. Surprisingly, some birds cannot fly but can run at the speed of like a horse. Nature has created birds in different colors and shapes. Some birds live in both water and land. Some birds are professional in hunting, like some species of eagles. I hope you have enjoyed its video. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and God bless you.